Imagine you've just discovered Vivid Money, the innovative financial app that's taking the world by storm. You're excited to dive in, but you have a burning question. How do you actually get in touch with the team behind the app? Well, you're in the right place. Ever had that frustrating moment when you need help with a product or service and you can't find a single contact number or email address? It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack, isn't it? Today, we're going to cut through the clutter and show you exactly how to contact Vivid Money. Whether you're facing a technical issue, have a query about your account, or simply want to share your feedback, we've got you covered. The most direct route, the in-app support center. The first and often most efficient way to get in touch with Vivid Money is through their in-app support center. It's like having a personal assistant right there in your pocket. Here's a quick breakdown of how it works. Open the Vivid Money app. Look for the support or help section. It's usually located in the settings or menu area. Search for your query. The support center often has a search bar where you can type in your question. Browse through the FAQs. Many common issues and their solutions are already addressed in the FAQs. Contact support directly. If you can't find the answer you're looking for, most in-app support centers offer a direct chat or email option. The power of social media. Vivid Money is active on various social media platforms, making it another great way to reach out. Here are a few popular channels you can try. Twitter. Tweet your query using the official Vivid Money handle. They often respond promptly to direct messages. Facebook. Send a message to their Facebook page. Their team is usually active and ready to assist. Instagram. Use the DM, direct message, feature to contact their support team. The official website. If you prefer a more traditional approach, you can always visit the Vivid Money website. They usually have a contact page with specific email addresses or a contact form for general inquiries. Tips for effective communication. To ensure a timely and satisfactory response, keep these tips in mind. Be clear and concise. Clearly state your problem or question. Provide relevant details. Include any necessary information, such as your account number or transaction ID. Be patient. While Vivid Money strives to respond quickly, there might be times when you'll need to wait a bit. Follow up if necessary. If you haven't received a response within a reasonable time frame, don't hesitate to follow up. There you have it. With these methods, you should be able to get in touch with Vivid Money and find the answers you need. Remember, the in-app support center, social media, and the official website are your best options. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.